A year ago, I was poor somewhat. Now my future's brighter than Christopher's new haircut. Bruno Mars is still sucking dick and fucking male butts in the same
I'm gonna show you how to do custom classes, and I know not a lot of people know you can actually do this on Arma. So I'm gonna go ahead and place default rifleman. Obviously, I'll show you his gear. Starts off with the M16A4, his mags, grenades, and night vision goggles. So what I'm going to do now is go on, double click him, go on his initialization and type remove all, and it will prompt you there so you know what to type, weapons, and then this, so it's saying this unit, semicolon. So now his rifle would have been removed, his magazines, his night vision goggles, and then binoculars if he had them, and he will be left with the watch, his map, GPS and compass. So I can click OK now. So anyway, now what you want to do, space this, add weapon. It says use square brackets, don't, just use quotation marks. Now you can't just, like it's prompting me there with, that's a magazine, you can't just type in simply like M4A1, that doesn't work. Yet again it's prompting me. So what I'm gonna do is show you a website you can go on which shows you all the class names for all the weapons. So here we go. Right, so now we're here. This is the website. As I said, I will be putting a link in the description. So when you just keep scrolling down till you got find your weapons, insurgents, guerrillas, civilians. Right, here we go. Anyways, so you've got all your weapons here, all the names down the left column. This middle column is the actual class names, like I was saying you need, and then to the right is your magazines. Now I'm going to go with the M4A1 SD camo. Now you can go with any of one of these, like any weapon you want, they all work. You've got sniper rifles, every weapon in the game is here. So I'm just gonna Control C this, and it may play up just a little bit, and I'm gonna Control C that, and now I'm gonna paste it in. There we go. Close quotation marks, semicolon. Now I'm also gonna do now this, add magazine. Oops, spelling error. Magazine, quotation marks, and I copied the magazine, so I'm going to paste that in now. There we go. Close quotation marks, semicolon. Now what I am going to do as well, because the way I've done it, removal weapons, this, then the add weapon, if you put the magazine first, so I'm just going to copy this, Control C. If you put the magazine first, when you spawn your gun will be reloaded for you. So the way I done it, you'll be spawned down with your mags, but your gun will not be loaded. You'll have to do it yourself. I mean, if you want it that way, then you can do it that way. There isn't no problem, it won't error, it'll work just the same. No problem with that. I'm just gonna copy in some magazines. There you go. Gonna click OK. Preview. There we go. So we've got the 3 mags, including the one I've got in. So there's 4 magazines. Got the M4A1, not the M16 anymore. So that shows it works. Easy. It's not the hardest thing to do on Arma2, I mean. There is worse things like scripting, that's quite a hard one. But anyway, I will put the example in the description so you can mess around with that if you want to try it out. So anyway, Thanks for watching. It's been XXCJPs. Please like and subscribe.
Wolf gang, we rock, rock, and that shit was expected like Jason whenever he named drops.
Fuck you, Tyler.
Jesus, motherfucking Teresa. This nigga gang got Wolf Haley for this feat.